Hello and welcome to the Premium Collection Income Play. Now we do have several ways that we collect premium using binary impact, and I want to run through those ways real quick. Just to let you know though, we have three main ways that we do this, but before we get into that, I really need to cover deep in the money and deep out of the money. Now, let's take a look at this chart. I'm going to explain on a chart, and then we're going to switch over to an actual options list and see how that looks. You can see the current price, and it really doesn't matter what you're looking at. Currently, we're looking at the Euro USD, but this can be, indexes, gold, crude, does not matter what it is. Currently, the price is right in this area. You can see right now 128.76. A deep in the money put, meaning a deep in the money, would be up here. So if you sold up here at that point looking for the market to move down, you're over 100 pips away from the current market. So this would be deep in the money. So deep in the money. And so the odds of this expiring profitable, or that option expiring at the end of the day, end of the session, would be very, very high, because it's not going to reverse this late in the day and move 100 pips the other direction. So you may pay as much as $99 for this option to only collect $1 worth of premium. I'm going to show you how to make this bigger, but not have pretty much the same amount of risk as this. So that's a deep in the money. So deep out of the money would be if you had an option down here, say at the 127.02 mark, and you were looking for the price to be above it upon expiration. So you're out of the money. You're way out of the money, way beyond where the market is. And at that point, you are deep out of the money. It's a deep out of the money option. So in this scenario, you're going to be basically putting up a large amount as well, somewhere between $80 and $99 to buy this thing, because the odds, the probability of it expiring in your favor are really, really high. So you pay a lot, and you're going to make somewhere between $1 and $20. That is our goal. So between $1 and $20 is what we're looking to risk, or looking to make, and what we're risking is $80 to $90. Now $99. You may say, well, that risk to reward is not very good, but you have to remember the probability of these deep out of the money and deep in the money options expiring in your favor are very, very high. And so what we want to do is make this balance, as well as we can, as far as the odds of it expiring in your favor, but still being able to collect closer to the $20 mark, and not so close to the $1 mark. You want to collect as much as you can, but you also have to be cautious that if it closes in your favor, you are risking several times what you would be getting. So let's move over to the next. Let's go on to basically the next area, which is the options, and I can explain to you when we look at the options, you'll clearly be able to see, and I'll actually pull up some stuff, and you'll be able to see exactly what I'm talking about as far as the pricing of these options.